After receiving a radio signal, the time and date will automatically set. There may be circumstances, however, for which you need to manually set the time and date, such as after an all reset and zero positioning. First, pull the crown out one click. Rotate the crown clockwise or counterclockwise until the second multifunction hand indicates the time zone nearest to your current location. Next, pull the crown out one additional click to the time setting position. The second multifunction hand will rotate to the SMT, Daylight Savings Time, on or off setting position set in memory. Rotate the crown clockwise to activate or counterclockwise to deactivate Daylight Savings Time. Press and release the lower right button. The second hand will rotate to the 12 o'clock position, indicating the minute hand is active for setting. Next, rotate the crown in either direction to set the current minutes. Rotating the crown clockwise will advance the second multifunction and minute hands, while rotating the crown counterclockwise will reverse the direction. The second hand will make one complete revolution for each minute advanced or decremented. To activate rapid advancement, quickly spin the crown. To stop rapid advancement, turn the crown one click in either direction. Now, press and release the lower right button. The hour hand will move slightly, indicating it is active for setting. Rotate the crown clockwise to move the hour hand until you see the date change. This hour shown indicates AM. Continue to rotate the crown until the proper AM or PM hour is set. Next, press and release the lower right button. The date will move slightly, indicating it is active for setting. Rotate the crown until the correct date is shown. Rotating the crown clockwise will advance the date, while rotating the crown counterclockwise will decrement the date. To activate rapid advancement, quickly spin the crown. To stop rapid advancement, turn the crown one click in either direction. Now, press and release the lower right button. The second multifunction hand will rotate to 12 o'clock, and then will move to the current leap year setting stored in memory. Rotate the crown to set the proper leap year. The hour indus represents a leap year. The first minute past the hour indus represents 1 year past a leap year. The second minute past the hour indus represents 2 years past a leap year, while the 3 minute past the hour indus represents 3 years past a leap year. Each hour indus indicates the month, while the first 3 minutes past the hour indus indicates the years past a leap year. As an example, to set the watch for June, 2 years past the last leap year, rotate the crown so the second hand is at 32 minutes past the hour. Hour 6 represents June, 2 minutes past the hour for 2 years past a leap year. Push the crown in 2 clicks. This completes setting the time and calendar. First, pull the crown out one click. Rotate the crown clockwise or counterclockwise until the second multifunction hand indicates the time zone nearest to your current location. Next, pull the crown out one additional click to the time setting position. The second multifunction hand will rotate to the SMT, Daylight Savings Time, on or off setting position set in memory. Rotate the crown clockwise to activate or counterclockwise to deactivate Daylight Savings Time. Push the crown in 2 clicks. You may manually check the results of the last radio reception. With the crown in the closed position next to the case, press and release the lower right button. The second multifunction hand will move to indicate either OK, indicating a successful radio reception, or No, to indicate failed radio reception. After approximately 10 seconds, the second multifunction hand will resume normal operation. There may be times when you need to initiate radio reception rather than waiting for the automatic update to occur. Depending on signal strength received by the watch, on-demand reception may not be successful during the daytime due to signal interference. To initiate on-demand reception, press and hold the lower right button for approximately 2 seconds and release. The second multifunction hand will move to the RX position. Next, place the watch on a stable surface where it will not be disturbed during the update process. Any movement of the watch may disrupt the signal, causing updating to fail. The update process can take up to 15 minutes to complete, depending on signal strength. After the update process is complete, whether updating is successful or not, the watch will return to normal operation. To check reception results, press and release the lower right button. The second multifunction hand will move to indicate either OK, indicating a successful radio reception, or No, to indicate failed radio reception. After approximately 10 seconds, the second multifunction hand will resume normal operation. If you are having difficulty receiving radio reception, try a different location, such as by a window that is facing your nearest radio transmission tower. The upper right button is recessed in the case. Depending on your model, the lower right button may be recessed as well. You will need a narrow pointed object, such as a wooden toothpick, to activate the recessed buttons. To begin, pull the crown out 2 clicks. The second multifunction hand will rotate to the SMT, daylight savings time, on or off setting position set in memory. Next, press the upper right and lower right buttons down simultaneously for 1 to 2 seconds, then release them. The second multifunction and hour hands, as well as the date, will move back and forth. The second hand will rotate to 12 o'clock, indicating the all reset is successful. Next, rotate the crown to move the date to 1, making sure that it is centered in the date window. Rotating the crown clockwise will advance the date, while rotating the crown counterclockwise will decrement the date. Press and release the lower right button. The hour hand will move slightly, indicating it is active for setting. Rotate the crown so that the hour hand is pointing towards 12 o'clock. Rotating the crown clockwise will advance the hour hand, while rotating the crown counterclockwise will reverse the direction. Next, press and release the lower right button. The second multifunction hand will move slightly, indicating the minute and second hands may be set. Rotate the crown to move the minute and second hands to the 12 o'clock position. Rotating the crown clockwise will advance the second multifunction and minute hands, while rotating the crown counterclockwise will reverse the direction. Push the crown into the closed position next to the case. This completes the all reset and 0 positioning. The time and calendar must now be set.